Alright guys, it's Lake Skinner fishing. Winter fishing 2020. It's 1:45 in the afternoon and trout truck just passed me. So we are following the trout truck to launch ramp 2 and we're gonna get set up and fish for some trout. Woohoo! Lake Skinner fishing. Man, I'm telling you, that is probably the only way to go when it comes to fishing in the winter is follow the trout truck. If they're stocking at any lake that you like to go to, find out when they're stocking, go the day of or the day after. And ask around, what are you using? Things that people are catching on. It could be mini jigs, it could be spinner bait, it could be power bait, it could be worms, night crawlers, millworms. Man, you got the whole list in front of you, okay? So ask around, find out what they're fishing with. It doesn't hurt to pick up a few baits before you go down there. So anyways, I'm going to give you guys a list of things that you must have in your arsenal somewhere down the line. I don't know if it's going to be in this video, but we are going trout fishing right now. So put your seatbelts on, ladies and gentlemen, and enjoy the ride.
Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead, pull it. Pull it, she's on.
What are you on there? Where are we?
Nice, look at this guy. What's your name again?
Pat.
Pat's on. Look at this. There he goes. Oh, he's on the other side. He's on the other side of that. Tully's over there.
Get him, buddy.
Oh, there he goes. Man, bring him around now. Look at that. That's Pat. That's his first catch right here. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh, there's one right in front of us.
Good job, Pat.
Thank you.
Good sized dinner.
That's not a bad trout right there.
There it is.
Thank you, baby.
Look at that, huh? Look at that. First catch. Look at that puppy. Mm-hmm. Trout, baby. Nice. Oh, come on. Man, it's on the drop. On the drop, baby. On the drop. Oh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Look at that. Uh-huh. I'm going. I'm going here. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay.
Good job.
Okay.
Just hit that.
Oh. Look at that. Oh, not another one.
Yeah.
Good job, man. Oh, that was a nice skip. That'll scare everything away. Look at that. Pat's on another one. Look at that. He's shaking and baking. Look at that. He does not want... Oh, got another one. Yeah. Look at that. Come here.
Babe.
Come on. Double hookup, baby. Look at that. Look at the Pat. Look at that. Double hookup. Boom. Oh. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh.
I got him out.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Double hookup, baby. Oh, he's getting you all sloppy wet. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Nope, on again. Yeah.
Another one?
Yes, sir. Come on, baby.
Look at this. Come here. Come here. No, 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 no. Don't go that way. Come here, come here. Come here. Tip up, tip up. Ooh, almost shook off. Almost shook off. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. Come on. Does not want to go. Look at that. He does not want to come. There he goes. Come on. Look at that. Look at that nose dive. Look at that. Look at that nose. He does not want to come. Look at that. Look at that. He's pushing. Look. Come here. Beautiful.
Nice.
Thanks. Nice.
Holy crap.
Look at that.
Bait you got there? Oh man. Tears up.
Yeah, that's a rough problem there.
What's that?
It's around the bushes. Look at that. She's pulling it out.
All right, I'm coming, babe.
Good over there. Killing it.
I told you that drop off right there is a killer. Oh, he bit it. Oh, got him. Yeah, I'm watching my line now. Watch the line move. Look at this. Look at this power. Look at that. Come here. Oh. Got him?
No.
Oh, I saw that.
He wants it.
He does. Oh, he's got it. He got it. Yeah, he got it. Oh,
Video too.
that was sweet.
Nice. That's badass.
Wow, first fish of the day. They think it's our first.
You too, babe?
Double hooked up.
Mine's gonna be a lot easier to unhook.
Look at these guys. They're just killing it. Look at this guy. This guy came here to fish and he's netting all day. Look at this. Look at this is what it's all about, guys, right here. The camaraderie. Look at that. That's awesome. Man, that's a big boy. Look at that big boy.
Oh shoot. Thank you. Yep.
Look at that big boy.
Right here.
I'll throw that one. Thank you.
If you want to use it, so
Oh, yeah, got one. Yeah, come on. Come on, this one's a nice one. This one's a nice one.
Look at this guy.
Come on, come on. Shake and bake, baby. Shake. Shake it. Come on. Come on. Nope, you can't go in that toolie. No, sir. No, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Look at that. Come on up. Ooh, he does not want to come. Oh, get it. Fighter, fighter. Come on. Oh, I missed him. He came right at it. Oh man, he snapped it off. Look at that. Wow. Oh, got him. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Oh. Oh. Come here. Come on. Oh. Oh, got him. Oh, I left him. Darn it. Oh, got him. I got him again. Oh, that's crazy. What was he doing? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Didn't you feel the pinch the first time? Oh, man.
Okay, then I need to switch to a jig then.
Come on. Opa. On the drop.
Oh, it's good.
On the drop. On the drop, baby. On the drop.
Wow. Good for you. You're in the sweet.
Look at that. Come on. Come here. Oh, come on. Where are you going? Where are you going?
That one was a jumper.
Oh, yeah. He does not want off. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that fighter. Come on. Can he do it? Is he tired? Oh, look at that.
Must be a 50 of them right
Look
there
at
in
that.
spot. The way they
Look
that
at
thing
that.
is, they're hungry.
Look at that. Huh?
Will they move out by tomorrow?
Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, got him. I knew he was there. Oh, I knew you were there, man. I knew it. Oh, look at you. You're a beauty. All right. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Shane's got one right there. Look at that.
Oh, yes.
Here, Shane, you want to do your own net
Oh, yeah.
and try it?
I need to see how it feels.
yeah.
You got to bring one hand up, straight
How
up,
do I
and the
keep
other
it
one.
up? Like,
You got to take one hand, bring it all the way up, keep the rod tip up, so it brings it right to you.
Still, it's not over
Brings it
yet,
right to
man.
you.
Oh,
Bring it right up. There it is.
right.
man, you
Yeah.
get the fucking bragging rights now.
No, not yet. Not yet.
I can't see anything.
Oh,
Look at
sorry,
that.
sorry.
Look at that. Look at that.
Woo-wee.
Get them dirty. Get them dirty so you can hold them. Get them dirty. There it is. Now you can hold them.
Hook on the top.
I
wish I had one on the bottom. I might cast over in this guy's hood.
Oh, no, you're professional.
Look at that. Is he off the bobber yet or no? He swallowed it.
Yeah, he's
You just pull it and then just set up another hook. Just pull it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, that's probably tricked
Oh,
What do you think, dude? Is it awesome?
It is a great feeling.
Tug is the drug. There's a bigger one out
Straight
there.
out there.
There it is.
Almost by the dock, though.
That's what drives me.
I don't want to be greedy.
So what do you think, Shane? Do you like fishing?
Oh, of course. Before I even caught
Is
anything,
that
I
sweet
loved
or
it.
what?
It's
Sweet.
one
Look
of the
at
best
that.
feelings in
Look
the
at
world.
that.
That is sweet right there. Perfect size.
Oh boy.
Oh, yeah.
A little heavy.
So now what if I want to play the fish, like right now?
No, you don't want to like that.
No, okay.
Yeah, you'll lose a lot of meat.
Okay, so does it tell up right here? And just like that. That's perfect. So how do I cook it?
Put it in a glass container.
Yeah.
I forgot what they're called. Your wife probably knows what they're called. Put them in a glass cookery. Lay them in there. Put a little bit of lemon, salt,